Hello, bozo.
This is a certified hood classic.
Straight put them on. I go broke like, fuck with that dog like, not that rock that. I mean down in my sock, can't hold my Glock. Reason I don't really like that. Young turn, they can't wipe no. My French don't like no. Limo 10 on fat, my car, yeah, I had it hurt. So my bitch broke bad, I ain't had her hurt. Yeah, that's us. Two-tone AP, I'm bust.
Why so serious?